What's happening, everybody? It's been roughly 2 weeks since I've done a video. It's been a while. Last video I did was day after 4th of July. Here it is, 17th. So I owe you guys a lot. Sticking around, hanging in there. Things were going good. I was doing great. And hurt myself playing softball and hurt my leg and didn't want to walk, didn't want to do anything, didn't care. And as a result, the grass took a major hit. So rust came back into the yard. Hit me hard there. Really bad back there. Coming bad there. This is from lack of water. That far corner is lack of water. What happened? You can see. Got it pretty bad. Swelled up like a balloon. I had to do a lot of walking at work and my ankle was huge, and it's just, I needed to stay off of it, and the lawn suffered. I kept it watered best I could, but I definitely did not do anything for the rust. I knew it was a problem 2 weeks ago. I didn't do anything about it. I knew it needed fertilizer. I didn't do anything about it. It hasn't been mowed, and actually, I think the 5th of July was the last time I mowed it. What are you gonna do? I was gonna do some mowing today and all that stuff, but I had a million other things I needed to do around the house. I had to go shopping today for some stuff and done a lot of walking, and I'm really tired. My leg is hurting. We've been having 70s to 80s as far as the weather goes. Humidity today was like close to 80%. It hasn't rained here since maybe February. So I've been just water. City water. And the city water here is not very good water. It's hard water. Galactic Glow, Citra, Mosaic, and Galaxy hops. It's really good. My neighbor's backyard is the size of my side yard right here, but it takes him 3 hours to mow it, line trim it, and blow it off. Part of the reason why I didn't want to do a video today, started mowing. God damn you, cat. Let's Galactic Glow. Tell you, it's very good beer. Yeah, it's Citra and Mosaic hops together. love it. Hey, look, hey, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Well, it worked for a second. We gotta wait, folks. We gotta wait. Okay, had to put my beer down. Okay, so and that spot, this spot, a couple little spots in here, and then obviously this whole area. Spot, a little shaky there, a little shaky through here. Cat was sleeping there. I knocked that off. Oh. It's a little too far gone, I think. I have to probably throw some seed down. And then all of this area needs help. This area here needs help. This area here. So just the people in this neighborhood, I tell you, I really wanted to give you guys content today. I really wanted to make a video, but just not feeling it. But I didn't want to leave you guys in the dark either. What's going on? Everything is good. I just hurt my leg and swelled up really bad. It's the worst it's ever been, probably because I'm getting old. I cleaned it right away. What are you gonna do? It's age. But it took me out, folks. I didn't want to walk. I walked a lot at work, made it worse, and I just needed some time. Just needed some time to heal. That's basically what's going on with me. We'll be back in the game tomorrow. I don't see no reason why I shouldn't. I kicked some butt today around the house, or inside the house, so I did clean up a lot around the yard, just little things around the yard. Pulled up all the sprinklers and stuff so I can just jump right into it. But yeah, just not feeling it tonight. I've got a lot of new subscribers, and I really want to bring content to you guys. Alright, that sun's right in my eyes now. I mean, come on. That sun's right in my eyes. I really want to bring you guys content. I'm not going to cut any shortcuts. And I'm going to be honest and real. I'll show you guys all the problems in my yard. The problems with me. Alright. So the neighbor's finally done. Nice and peaceful. I'm almost done with my beer. But I wanted to tell you my plan of attack for this rust. This area here, it's just sad, pitiful area. And then that area over there in front of the apricot tree. Well, the whole yard, it's gonna get it. I'm gonna throw down, I'm gonna put down the DiseaseEx again, go full on. I'm gonna look at my cabinet over there and see what kind of fertilizers I should use. I'm gonna hit it with a lot of stuff. I'm gonna hit it hard. I was trying to spoon feed, then I cut everything off for a little over a month. That's when the rust came in, so I'm gonna hit it hard. I'm gonna hit it hard with that DiseaseEx. I'm gonna hit it hard with fertilizers. We're gonna push a lot of growth. I'm gonna hit it hard with some soil aerator. And then I gotta do Hydretain. Well, before the beer is gone, the sun is down. Cheers to you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following along. Thank you for all the comments, the thumbs up, everything. Y'all are awesome. Cheers, each and every one of you. Have a good night.